Hello there. So you want to know how you can create an attractive listing for eBay? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply search for eBay just like that. Go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And now to sell an to make an attractive listing, all you need to do is on the top right, go ahead and click on the sell button right over here. And now once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on create listing. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here where all you need to do is just start with item info. So simply go ahead and enter what item you're selling. So for example, luxury blankets. Now here you can simply go ahead and choose a category. For example, let's just say collectibles. And now all you need to do is just simply go ahead and choose inside of collectibles. So let's say, for example, what is it? It's a vintage retro mid-century. Sounds good. 1980s. And you can simply go ahead and select if it is new or used. Simply click on continue listing and now click on got it. Now this is where you want to go ahead and add a beautiful photo, if not a lot of photos. See, as you can see, eBay has given up to 24 photos in a 1-minute video. So just give as detailed photos as you can and go ahead and retitle your item title, which will give it a more sophisticated or more intellectual sound to it. So that is about it, and then you can simply go ahead and add pricing, do your bidding if you want to, and then simply go ahead and list it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.